All right, y'all, it's official. It's official. New York Attorney General Letitia James has been indicted by a federal grand jury in the Eastern District of Virginia, a dramatic escalation that merges politics and law in one of the most shocking developments of the year. According to the Justice Department, prosecutors accused James of misrepresenting a 2020 property purchase in Norfolk, Virginia. The indictment claims she told a bank the home would be her secondary residence in order to secure a lower mortgage rate, while allegedly renting it out instead. The grand jury charged her with bank fraud under Title 18 U.S. Code Section 1344 and making false statements to a financial institution under Title 18 U.S. Code Section 1014. If convicted, each count carries a maximum of 30 years in prison and fines of up to $1 million. Like, prosecutors say this case is about intentional deception and breach of public trust, but James's team calls it a political hit job. Retaliation for her civil fraud case against Donald Trump while he wasn't in office. And that's where this gets political, because James is a Democrat. She became a national figure for leading the case that forced Trump and the Trump organization to pay massive penalties for overstating asset values. Now, just months after Trump's return to the White House, his allies are celebrating her indictment, while her supporters see it as revenge disguised as justice. Adding to the controversy, the charges are being brought not in New York, but in Virginia by U.S. Attorney Lindsey Halligan, a Trump appointee. Halligan's office says politics played no role, but the venue choice alone has drawn scrutiny from former prosecutors who call it highly unusual for a sitting state attorney general to face federal charges outside her jurisdiction. In a statement Thursday night, Letitia James said, quote, "I have nothing to hide and I will not be intimidated or silenced. My work continues," end quote. She has not resigned and plans to appear in federal court on October 24th to enter her plea. Her lawyers are expected to challenge both the venue and the strength of the evidence, arguing that this is a technical paperwork dispute being inflated for political reasons. Still, the optics are seismic. A sitting attorney general indicted by the federal government in a case tied indirectly to the most polarizing figure in American politics. For now, she remains presumed innocent, but the fallout could ripple through both New York's government and the national political landscape ahead of the 2026 midterm elections. Whether you see this as accountability or retribution, one thing is certain: this case is about to test the line between justice and power in America like never before. One last thing before you go, I am really trying to get to 10,000 followers by the end of October, so if you are enjoying my reporting, please be sure to hit the follow button for more news in 3 minutes or less. And if you want to support my work further with additional perks, you can join my Patreon for as little as $1 a month. Check out the link in my bio for more.